Hello guys, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all the competitive exams. So today I am going to discuss about the prime implicants. So what is a prime implicant? So in a Boolean function, how to identify what are the prime implicants? Okay. So this is a topic of digital logic. So it is very important session. So in the 10 to 15 minutes of time, you will be able to identify the prime implicants and also essential prime implicants with the help of examples. Okay. So please be listen to careful and also please share this class information with your friends and do subscribe the channel if you have not yet been subscribed. Okay. So basically this prime implicant is nothing but it is just before I begin the prime implicants, let me introduce myself. Myself, Murali Krishna Bokasamudram. I am having 21 plus years of teaching experience both in the GATE and also I worked in different engineering colleges. And these are some of my credentials. You can just have a look. And I'm certified as International Engineering Educator through IGP certification program. And I'm topper of NPTEL course in the theory of computation and mentored more than 50,000 students across the country in different core areas of computer science. Those are theory of computation, operating systems, computer organization, computer networks, digital logic, and ICT. So these are the areas in which I'm familiar with. Okay. So now, before I begin the session, you can just have a look some of the important information for you. So there is a free GATE workshop regarding how to secure the All India rank under 100 in the GATE 2024. It is live on 6th June at 7:30 p.m. And Dhira Sadhana sir will take this session. Please do register for this. And this is the toppers list of 2023 GATE, and we got more than 62 students under All India rank 50, 13 under 10, and 107 under 100. And these are the list of some of the toppers in computer science and instrumentation, electrical, and also P&I. So congratulations to all these toppers, and also I wish you all the best for the aspirants of 2024 GATE and also NIELIT 2023 and ISRO. Okay, now let's see what is an implicant. Any product term which is there in the function is called an implicant. Like for example, a function f, a logic function f is containing three implicants a, b, b, c, and abc. But all the implicants need not necessarily be prime implicants. Okay. So any product term which implies output is called an implicant. So like AB is an implicant, ABC is an implicant, BC also implicant. But the prime implicant is an implicant of F such that if any variable is removed from the implicant, the resulting term does not imply Y. For example, you are having a AB, okay, and you are having a BC, you are having ABC. For example, if you remove any of the term, for example, in the term AB, if I remove A, then only B will be there. In the term BC, either you remove B or C, only other variable will present. But for example, in ABC, if I remove A, for example, BC is there. Still BC is implying it because either it is AB or BC or ABC. So if I remove a term AB, still BC implies the function F. Or if I remove C also, still AB will imply this. So that means ABC is not a prime implicant. But AB and BC are prime implicants. If any of the term is removed in the AB or BC, you won't get the implication of the total outcome of the function. Okay. So in the form of K-map, you can see like this. So for example, this is a three variable K-map. It is shown like this. And what are the three variables here? A, B, C. Okay. So this is the A and this is BC, for example. And the A value can be 0 or 1. BC values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Let us suppose. Okay. And AB is nothing but A term, B term, both are ones. Okay. So if you have two ones here, this will come under AB. So in the A term and B value 1, C bar cancel. And BC is nothing but these two will become BC. And ABC is nothing but this is ABC. This one is ABC. So in this, this is a BC. You can plot this pair and you can plot this pair. So AB and BC are okay. But ABC is a part of this. So we have already plotted one pair. And again, if you plot this, it will not be a prime implicant. It is a subset of one pair. Okay. So ABC will become this one only 1, 1. So that is not a prime implicant. So only two prime implicants are there in this. So AB is a prime implicant and BC also prime implicant. Like that, let us see some examples. And essential prime implicant also. First of all, essential prime implicant, it is supposed to be a prime implicant which contains one or more distinguished ones in the K-map. For instance, if we take this one, okay, so only single one is present. It is covered in only one pair. That's what distinguished one. This one is not a distinguished one. It is covered in two pairs, and this is also distinguished one. So both the prime implicants are essential here, because at least one distinguished one is required to become an essential prime implicant. So here it is a prime implicant which contains one or more distinguished ones. What is a distinguished one? It is the one present in only one prime implicant, not in multiple prime implicant. For example, in the previous example, this one is present in multiple prime implicants. So that is not distinguished one. Okay. So if a prime implicant does not contain any distinguished one, then the prime implicant is not essential. At least one distinguished one is required. Multiple also okay. Now we can find out essential prime implicant and prime implicant just by using this map very simply. So all of you please listen to this. So here this is a prime. Usually in a sum of products form, in minimal sum of products form, we form these three. That's it. Only these three will be there in the minimal sum of products form. So this term is nothing but it is coming under C bar DA. C bar DA, minimal sum of products form, and this will come under CDB, and the last one, this will come under CD bar A bar. CD bar A bar. These are the implicants present in the minimal sum of products. Okay, and also actually this one and this one are adjacent, so this is also possible prime implicant, and this one and this one are adjacent, this is also possible prime implicant. So total 1 2. So what are additional we got? DAB is a prime implicant, and also this one come under CA bar B. CA bar B. So these are additional prime implicant. Okay. Now total 1 2 3 4 5. So number of prime implicants PIs is equal to 5, and essential prime implicants you can see. EPI is nothing but essential prime implicant. So this is an essential prime implicant, this one, and this one is essential prime implicant. Only two essential prime implicants. What are those? This will come under C bar DA. So this is essential, underlined is essential. And the last one, this one is come under C D bar A bar. This is also essential because they are containing at least one distinguished one. Now coming to this quickly, find the prime implicants and essential prime implicants. It is very simple. So we can plot these two just like what is the minimal sum of product form, how to find, just we can find out first. And 4 corner ones comes under one quad, 4 corner ones, and this one and this one. And to cover this, actually these are not adjacent ones. So what we have to do is, this will be separately as a pair we can take, this also we can take as a pair. And as these two are adjacent, so we can consider these two, and these two are adjacent, okay, we can consider these two as a prime implicant, and these two also we can consider. So there are two quads, corner ones and up to ones, down to ones, okay. And so 1 2, then 3 4 5 6, there are 6 prime implicants. Number of prime implicants are 6. How it is 6? This one, this one. So this is a quad. So this is nothing but D bar A. D bar A is one prime implicant. This comes under D bar A. And 4 corner ones comes under D bar B bar. So D bar B bar is also one prime implicant, one quad. And remaining 1 2 3 4 5. 4 5 is there, no? So 1 2 3 4 5 plus 2 quads, total 7. 5 pairs and 2 quads, total it is 7, not 6. Okay, total 7 prime implicants. Hope you are understanding. Total 7 prime implicants. Okay, na? So we can cover like this. And also essential prime implicants, this one is only distinguished one, this one also. So 2 quads are essential prime implicants. So there are 2 EPAs. Essential prime implicants are 2. Okay, now next one more example. If we consider this, we can consider actually these 4 comes under one quad, Okay, to cover these two ones, we can take this as a quad. To cover these ones, we can take this as a quad. And to cover this one, we can take this and this as a quad. Okay, na? So, and these four ones also can be considered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of prime implicants are 5, and essential are 1, 2, 3 essential prime implicants. So 3 of them are essential prime implicants. Now coming to the fourth one. Here you can see just for practice I have given more, and these four we can consider, and these four we can consider is a prime implicant, and these four is a prime implicant, and these four is also prime implicant. And already we have covered this 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of PIs are 4, and essential prime implicant this one, this one, this one, and this one. All four are essential prime implicants. 4 prime implicants, 4 essential prime implicants. All of them are essential prime implicants. Now coming to one more example, and here last and final example here. You can see what are the ones we can cover here. Normally you have to go with minimal sum of products form. So this one we can cover, and the next 4 ones means these 4 ones also comes under this. To cover this one, we can consider the entire this quad, and to cover these 2 ones actually only 2 ones can be covered, and this is adjacent to this, we can consider this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of PIs are 5. Essential are this is one distinguished one, and this is one distinguished one, and this one not a distinguished one, and this one is a distinguished one. So 3 of them are essential prime implicants. So like that we can see the prime implicants and essential prime implicants. I hope everybody understood clearly. And so that's all for today. Please do share this class information with your friends, and do subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Thank you one and all. See you.